We are final year computer science students from Federal Institute of Science and Technology. This is our final year project presentation based on the topic Content Based Lecture Video Retrieval. Our group members are Nidha Maria Shaju, Sharanya Ashok, Varsha Rajan and myself Sri Lakshmi Pradeep. Abstract. A more efficient method for video retrieval within a large lecture video archives is essential since the number of lecture video data is increasing day by day. The project presents an approach for automated video indexing and video search in large lecture video archives. Automated video segmentation and keyframe detection is applied to offer visual guideline for the video content navigation. Textual metadata is extracted by applying video optical character recognition technology on keyframes and automatic speech recognition on lecture audio tracks. The OCR and ASR transcript as well as the detected slide text lines are used for keyword extraction. Problem statement. Digital video has become a popular storage and exchange medium due to the rapid development in recording technology and high-speed networks in the last few years. Therefore, audiovisual recordings are used more and more frequently in e-lecturing systems. As there are large number of lecture videos in the World Wide Web, thus an approach for efficient video search and retrieval is needed. Content-based lecture video retrieval is a method to retrieve lecture videos from large lecture video archives. This is our block diagram. First of all, we input a video, then it is segmented by identifying and splitting frames. Then we apply OCR to the frames and transcripts are stored in database. To obtain the audio tracks, we apply ASR on the video and we convert the audio into text format. Then that is also stored in the database. Whenever we enter a search term, if the video is found, then such videos are displayed based on the content we entered. Design. Extract relevant metadata from the two main parts of lecture video, namely the visual screen and audio tracks. From the visual screen, firstly detect the slide transitions and extract each unique slide frames considered as the video segment. Then the video OCR analysis is performed for retrieving textual data from slide frames. Based on the OCR results, a solution for lecture outline extraction of detected text lines has to be used. In speech-to-text analysis applied on the open source ASR software, to build the acoustic and language model, we collected speech training data from our lecture videos. Extract keywords from the result. In this work, only nouns and numbers are considered as a candidate keyword. The top n words from them will be regarded as the keyword. Segment level as well as video level keywords are extracted from the different information resources such as OCR and ASR transcript respectively. To extract segment level keywords, first arrange each ASR and OCR word to an appropriate video segment according to the timestamp. Then extract nouns from the transcript to capture nouns with variant form. The transcripts are stored in the database and list the transcript from the database. When the search item is entered in the browser, filter all videos containing the search item and then filter the videos with transcripts. When the video with transcript containing search item is found, it will be added to the result. This is one of the flowchart of our training process. First of all, capture a video file using OpenCV. Then converts the video into the images. Extract text from those images. Extract audio from the video. Then convert the audio into text. Then create a transcript of text from ASR and OCR transcripts. Then store it into the database. This is our flowchart based on the testing process. And first of all, we need to enter the search term in the browser. Then from the database, it will list all the transcript. Then later, we find the transcript containing the search term and filter the videos with the transcript. If videos with transcript containing the search term is found, then we will add it to the result and we will list all the result. Else we will stop the process.
Next is the implementation of project. The objective of this project is to develop an interactive mechanism that helps users to retrieve lecture videos from large lecture video archives, and the output of system will result in a system that retrieves the video related to the search item. The operating system used here is Linux, and language used for the implementation of project is Python. The most important modules used behind the implementation of project includes ASR using Google Cloud Vision API. The automatic speech recognition for converting speech to text is performed here using Google Cloud Vision API. Next is OCR using Google Cloud Vision. The extraction of text from videos is also performed here using Google Cloud Vision API. OpenCV library is used to capture video and used for converting the video into images. An LTK module helps in splitting sentences from paragraphs, splitting up words, recognizing parts of speech of those words, and highlighting main subjects. Redis, which stands for Remote Dictionary Server, is a fast, open-source, in-memory key-value data store for use as a database, cache, message broker, and queue. MoviePy is a Python library for video editing. It can read and write all the most common audio and video formats. And Speech Recognition is the library for performing speech recognition with the support of several engines and APIs, both online and offline. These are the results of some test cases. In the first test case, the search word is MapReduce, and the videos corresponding to MapReduce is retrieved. In the second case, literature is a particular search word, and the video corresponding to literature is also obtained. But in the third case, since the search word is shifting and there is no videos related to that particular search word, no videos are retrieved in this case. Content-based lecture video indexing and retrieval in large lecture video archives make the task easier. Automated annotation for OCR and ASR results using linked open data resources offers the opportunity to enhance the amount of linked educational resources significantly. Therefore, more efficient search and recommendation method could be developed in lecture video archives. Thank you.